Good afternoon. I'm so glad you are back with me. I know I've been gone, and I'll talk about that in a different video. But back in September, when my Michael died, I was in denial. I was in shock. Um, our relationship wasn't a common relationship like everybody else's. It was a long distance relationship. And I made no secret of our relationship. But I was walking through the neighborhood market and I said, I need to send a condolence card. Now, Michael's funeral was private and, uh, and he was buried on his land. So it was, and nobody knew that cemetery because it's private. So that made everything really hard. So anyway, as I was walking through the neighborhood market, I decided that I would buy a condolence card, a sympathy card. Now, I have been known, and I have always been able to communicate with my family and my friends after death. So as I'm walking down the aisle thinking about this card, I feel Michael next to me going, no, no, don't buy a card, no. And so I bought the card. And it's a very beautiful card. So beautiful. So beautiful. And then I wrote a letter to his family saying how I felt and how, but Michael was very, very angry with me. And so I apologize for not listening. So here's my beautiful card. I will not mail it because he asked me not to mail it, because the privacy of his family was very important to them. And I think when I die too, I don't want nobody bugging me. If you don't give me flowers now, don't give me flowers at all, because I don't want them. I need your love now while I'm alive. I need your condolences now. I live. Sometimes this world is very, very hard. Oh, and I loved Michael so. I loved him so much. So you witness that my apology. This letter will never be mailed, nor will it be remembered. Never seen, never read, except by me. Up in flames we go. And there goes my alarm system. I didn't even know it worked. Ugh. Okay, it will quit. It will quit. Let's get this finished going. Won't take long. I'll open the door. don't know how to turn off the alarm system. And I can't retake the burning of this. What is it called? A distraction? At least I know now that I'm safe if there's a fire. And that always really bothered me, not knowing. So, it's almost gone. You know, we have to respect people when they're alive, and we have to respect them in their afterlife too. And I did not respect Michael. And I apologize immensely for my alarm. Well, I should have done this outside. But like Michael, I like keeping my life private too. And here I sit right next to the alarm system. So, what do you do? What do you do? Maybe. Okay, I think I did it. Very aggravating for you, I'm sure. But this is my apology, because I guess his family just couldn't bear this wonderful man going away. This I burn because he asked me not to buy it, and I bought it. Remember, in life and in death, you always, always respect your loved ones. Bless you, and sorry for another bad video. I'm just good at it.